Ever wondered if revving your car's engine can actually charge a weak battery? You might have heard conflicting advice from friends, mechanics, and internet forums. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind battery charging, separating fact from fiction, and revealing exactly what happens when you press that accelerator pedal during a battery emergency. How car charging works. Before we get into revving, let's understand how your car's electrical system actually works. It's like a continuous energy cycle. First, your battery provides the initial power to start the engine once running. The engine turns the alternator through a serpentine belt. The alternator then converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electrical energy recharges your battery and powers all your car systems. Think of it like a human body. The battery is like your initial energy to get out of bed, and the alternator is like the coffee that keeps you going throughout the day. When revving actually helps. So when does revving actually help charge your battery? There are three critical scenarios. 1. During jump starts, when you're getting a jump from another vehicle. Gentle revving between 1500 to 2000 RPMs can provide extra power. It helps overcome the resistance in a deeply discharged battery, giving you that crucial boost to get moving. 2. With severely discharged batteries, when your battery's voltage drops extremely low, higher RPMs can help kickstart the charging process, quickly boosting voltage to critical levels. 3. In cold weather conditions, battery efficiency drops dramatically in cold temperatures. Controlled revving helps overcome cold-induced resistance and generates extra heat to improve battery performance. The science of RPMs. Let's break down how engine speed impacts charging. At idle speed, around 800 RPMs, you're getting basic charging output. The sweet spot is between 1500 to 2000 RPMs. This is your optimal charging range. Beyond 2500 RPMs, you're not getting any additional charging benefit. Pro tip: if you want to monitor your charging system, invest in a quality automotive multimeter. Links to recommended tools will be in the description. Safe revving techniques. Here's how to safely charge your battery by revving. Start by letting the engine idle for 1 to 2 minutes to circulate oil. Check that all warning lights are off. Gradually increase RPMs to 1500. Hold at that speed for about 30 seconds if needed. You can increase to 2000 RPMs maximum, but be careful. Never rev a cold engine aggressively, and always monitor your engine temperature. Warning signs: you need more than revving. Not all battery issues can be solved by revving. Watch out for these red flags. Battery older than 3 years, corroded terminals, bulging battery case, leaking fluid, slow engine, cranking, dimming lights, repeated electrical system glitches. If you're seeing these signs, it might be time for a battery replacement or professional diagnosis. Modern vehicle considerations. Modern cars are complex. Today's vehicles have smart charging systems that automatically adjust charging rates, prioritize electrical system demands, continuously monitor battery health. Start-stop technology in newer cars places additional demands on batteries, requiring specialized charging approaches. Maintenance and prevention. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some battery maintenance tips. Monthly terminal cleaning, seasonal battery testing. Consider using a trickle charger test before extreme weather seasons for stored vehicles. Use battery maintainers. As automotive technology evolves, traditional methods like revving become less relevant. The key is understanding your specific vehicle's needs, maintaining proper charging systems, and following manufacturer recommendations. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and drop a comment below about your battery experiences. Links to recommended tools and emergency kits are in the description. Check them out to be fully prepared. Remember, a well-maintained battery is a happy battery. Stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.